Welcome back to the Broke to Boss channel. Today, we're about to take your finances to the next level with the help of AI. We've got 10 amazing AI tools that will help you budget, invest, and even crush your debt, all while making your financial life easier. And the best part? Most of them are free and super simple to use. So, if you're ready to stop stressing about money and start taking control, hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you never miss an update, and let's dive in. First up, we've got the basics: budgeting and keeping track of your expenses. If you're not on top of this, your money's probably slipping through your fingers. But don't worry, these 3 AI tools will help you stay on track without all the hassle. First on the list is Mint. This app is a total game changer when it comes to budgeting. Mint automatically tracks your spending, categorizes your expenses, and helps you set up a personalized budget. It's completely free, and it syncs with all your accounts, so you'll always have a clear view of your financial situation. Next up, we've got YNAB, You Need a Budget. This app is for the people who want to go all in on their financial goals. YNAB takes a unique approach by teaching you how to give every dollar a purpose. You're not just tracking your spending, you're planning for it. It's a paid service after a 34-day free trial. But if you're serious about getting your money right, it's totally worth the investment. Trust me, it's a powerful tool for anyone looking to get ahead financially. For anyone who needs something super simple, Pocket Guard is perfect. It links to all your accounts and shows you how much disposable income you have left after your expenses. This way, you'll never accidentally overspend again. It's easy to use, and the free version gives you all the basics you need to stay on track. Upgrade to Pocket Guard Plus for advanced features. This tool will help you manage your cash flow like a boss. Now let's talk about the next step: investing. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront are your best friends if you want to invest, but don't have time to manage your portfolio. These platforms use AI to create personalized investment strategies based on your goals and risk tolerance. You can start investing with little to no minimum deposit, and there are even free features to get you started. If you want to make your money work for you, this is the way to go. Acorns is for the hustlers who want to invest without even thinking about it. It rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. If you buy a coffee for $2.70, it rounds up to $3 and invests the extra 25 cents for you. It's a super easy way to start building your portfolio passively. And if you're a student, it's completely free. For everyone else, the fees are low and the results can be huge in the long run. Personal Capital isn't just about investments. It's an all-in-one tool that helps you track your net worth, plan for retirement, and manage your expenses. The AI-powered dashboard gives you a real-time view of how your investments are doing, and it offers tips on how to optimize your strategy. It's free to use, and if you want to keep an eye on your long-term financial goals, like retirement, Personal Capital is definitely a tool you don't want to skip. If you're into stocks or crypto, Robinhood is where it's at. It's commission-free trading with an intuitive interface that makes it easy for beginners. Plus, it offers AI-powered stock recommendations and market insights to help you make smarter trades. You can trade stocks, ETFs, and even crypto without paying any commissions, so it's a great platform if you want to dip your toes into investing. Now, let's move on to managing your credit and tackling debt. These next tools will help you boost your credit score and get rid of debt faster than ever. Credit Karma is your personal credit score tracker, giving you free access to your credit score and tracking changes. It also provides personalized recommendations for credit cards and loans based on your score. Managing your credit is vital for your financial success. Don't let surprises catch you off guard. If you're struggling with credit card debt, Tally is a lifesaver. It analyzes your credit card balances and consolidates them into one low-interest loan. Tally automatically makes payments for you, so you never miss a due date again. With Tally, say goodbye to high interest rates and late fees. It's a small fee to use, but saves you a ton in the long run. Clio is like having a money-savvy chatbot who helps you track spending, set savings goals, and gives personalized money advice based on your habits. It's super easy to use, and the best part? It's free. If you want a fun, interactive way to manage your money, Clio is definitely worth checking out. And that's it. Fam, 10 AI tools that'll help you manage your money like a boss. Whether you're looking to save, invest, or eliminate debt, these tools have got your back. Don't let money stress you out. Take control and start making smarter decisions today. Which one of these tools are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.